Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tech It's Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem your Starbucks gift card. Keep watching the video till the end to redeem your Starbucks gift card. Firstly, open up your Starbucks application. The homepage of the Starbucks application will appear on the screen. Click on the Sign In option at the top left corner of the screen. Then, click on Join Now and enter your first and last name, your email address, and password for the Starbucks account. Choose your country, then tick mark on the given boxes to agree to the terms and conditions of Starbucks, and tap on Join Now. For that, to redeem your Starbucks gift card, click on Already Have a Gift Card option. Enter your gift card number and security code, then click on Join. This is how you can redeem your Starbucks gift card quickly and easily, just in a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.